Hello, this is Ana Maggie and welcome to my beauty log. Today I want to talk about my favorites for the month of February. Quick disclosure, there's going to be a lot of pink, a lot of rose, and that's just how I roll. So let's get into it. All right, first I'd like to start off with a bit of skincare. As I said, I really went deep into the rose this month because it's Valentine's and I just wanted to incorporate, it was the month of love, I should say, and I just wanted to incorporate as much as I can in that. Lots of chocolate items too. But so for the mask that I've been using, it is this one here, Juice Beauty by Kate Hudson. And it is so strange. It is a powder, as you can see there. What you do is you mix it with water a bit. They give you a little brush, which is really cute, and you just mix it with water in like a little bowl or something like that. It has acacia and rose powder mask, and what I really like about it is that it has all organic ingredients. Juice Beauty is a very like organic brand, but I really love that they had this mask for me for the month of February. And what it did to my skin is it removed some of the like blotchiness that you can get sometimes with like dry skin. I don't have dry skin, but I get blotchy somehow even though I have oily skin. It's so strange. My skin does like the weirdest things in the winter, so that just kind of like calmed my like irritated skin. The other thing that I wanted to talk about is this. I got this from a glossy box, and I've been using it because it just applies. It's just a simple skincare, a simple cleanser that I can use in the morning. I wasn't before using a face wash in the morning. I would just pat my skin with water, and recently I started washing my skin just with like a very gentle cleanser. And this one here is by Winky Lux. It's a petal cleanser, and it has like petals in it, which is super cool. So when you wash your the spout is open up enough so where you do get some petals out, and it's just like a glycerin cleanser, I think. So yeah, it's called Petal Cleanser from Winky Lux. Does smell like roses. I also started using a new body wash. This one is by Method. It is the Peony Rose Water and Pink Salt. It's called Pure Peace. And yes, I do switch out my body wash with the month to like match with the month. I'm like weird that way. Just go with it. It smells so good, like a fresh bouquet of flowers. It's all organic, very good plant-based cleansers. So good ingredients for your body. And then the other thing that I started using, and I won't really say it's made such a difference, is these two products here from Truly. This is the Buns of Glory, like glow. It looks like that. I got it at the Ulta and Target combo stores. What you do is you use this as like an exfoliator in the shower. This one says it's a tighten and glow smoothing butt polish. I know. Watermelon, vitamin E, apricot, orange flower, and wheat protein boost. It's vegan, cruelty free. I finished it all, and I don't know that it does like that much, but it smelled really good, and it's an exfoliator for your bum. Every now and again, use an exfoliator over there. You'll see a little difference. Then I put this here, these little like drops on there. You do get a lot, like a lot of bang for your buck with these. These are the Buns of Glory Tighten and Glow Butt Serum. And it's got the same ingredients, same good stuff for you, but it's just like a pink little, it's got a little dropper, and you just put that after the shower, put it on your bum. I don't know again that it has made such a difference, but it's pretty fun. I did get these at Target and I wanted to try them out. And yeah, I mean, it's kind of fun and you draw special care to that area. So check it out. Last thing is this lotion. I'm almost done with it. It is the Fairy Tale by Bath and Body Works. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. And I've just been like drenching my body in it after the shower. I just top it with this. It's the Shea 24-hour moisture. It has hyaluronic acid and it's a body cream. Feels so good. And National Fairy Day was on the 26th. It was actually yesterday. I'm filming this on Sunday, and that was pretty cool. That was pretty cool to think about this all month long. So I did like that. So check that out if you're interested. Moving on to lips, I have 3 products that have been my go-tos, and then I'll share with you what lipstick I've been using. So I made a decision halfway in the middle of February to switch to my lipstick, my nails to match my lipstick. So I removed the pink and I went to brown because I wanted to do chocolate lips. So I bought two nail polishes that I wanted to share real quick. This one is the one that I have here. It's like a matte or like an all over color. And this one is called That's What Friends Are Thor. Like, I guess Thor. And then this one isn't plant-based or like cruelty-free or anything like that. So I'm trying to switch out of OPI, but I did buy some OPI products, so I'm not going to throw them away, but I'm starting to switch. But what I did notice is that Sinful Colors, the little sign on there said that it was clean beauty. So that's really cool, and it is vegan, I believe. Vegan and cruelty-free. I did like that. And this is the color Smoky Palo Santo. So what I noticed is that this one here, it's the Essentials brand or line, and it smells like Palo Santo. It doesn't smell like that in there, but supposedly it smells like that on the nails. I have it on now. It's got like a little sheen to it, which is really pretty. But I don't know that it smells like that because I put a top coat on it. So I don't know. Now moving on to the lips. I bought this a long time ago and I remembered how much I loved it. It is the Smith's Rosebud Salve, and I bought a new one recently. It's got petroleum, cottonseed, the rose like scent in it. It does smell like roses, which I do like, and it just like goes on the lips like oil. It's so nice, but it doesn't feel oily. It's just so nice and smooth. So this is one of my favorites, and I have been using this all month long because these lips have been so dry. The other product that I've been using, and this I used right before I start my skincare, like start my makeup. This is the Maracuja Juicy Lip by Tarte. This is in the shade Rose. When I'm about to do my makeup, I put this on just right before, and the lips are nice and moisturized for anything else. Any other products that I put on top. And then at night, every night, I put this one on. This is the Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. I recently got this one and I'm already down quite a bit because it's so nice. I just put this on all over the lips, and sometimes I put it on like around my hands as well because they get really dry with the like central heat on. Moving on to my favorite lipsticks, and I thought that I wanted to buy a new lipstick every month create a new lipstick every month from Bite Beauty Lip Bar, but I sort of decided against that this month, and I decided to go ahead and go for products that I wanted to have. So I still may go back. I was just on a no spend, so I still may go back and buy my like chocolate lips because I ended up really liking it. So I have on like a lighter chocolate now. What I have on is the Mint Melt Lip Plumping Lip Gloss from e.l.f. This is in the shade Chocolate Chip, and it's not that dark, but it's a nice like everyday like lip. I wanted to stay in the chocolate family, so it was a nice product to use. Then the other lip gloss that I have is this one by Lip Injection from Too Faced. This is in the shade Christmas Cocoa. Smells like cocoa. Oh my god, so good. I love putting this one on. This one smells good too. It smells minty, but also chocolatey. Oh my gosh, I love these two. I did not realize I was going to fall in love with the chocolate so much. And then the lip product that I was using, these two here. So this is the Minted Night Lip Pencil in the shade, I think Night. just like a chocolate lip pencil. I got it at Target, and this is the lipstick that I had been using all month long. I did a video on it as well. In that video, I didn't use this lip liner, but had I had it then, I would have put it on. But this is the lipstick. I think it's in the shade Chestnut, but I can't tell. But it's like a reddy brown, and oh my gosh, I just did not know how much I was going to enjoy brown lipstick. This one doesn't smell good. I don't really know if Lipstick Queen is vegan and cruelty free. So because of that, I do think that I'm going to go back to Bite Beauty and create my chocolate lipstick. So if I do, I will share that with you later on. But that is for the lips. Now let's move on really quickly to the face. So the primer that I have been using nonstop this month is this one by One Size. It's the Secure the Blur. It's a makeup magnet primer. I don't know if it's vegan and cruelty free. I really needed a really good primer for these large pores, and this one really does a great job doing that. The foundation that I've really been loving is the Bite Changemaker foundation. It's what I'm wearing now. It's what I've been wearing all month long. I am almost out of it, and it's just such a good one. It is vegan and cruelty free, which I do appreciate as well. All right, moving on to the blush and bronzer that I've been using nonstop, and the highlighters. So the bronzer I've been using nonstop is this one by Too Faced. It is the Hot Cocoa. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. And it's just light enough for me right now. This is the lightest that I probably will ever be is February, and these products really look good on my skin. Blush that I've really been liking is the Ciate in Matchmaker. This is a little sample that I got. I don't normally go to pinks because I like to stay in the peachy family, but because I'm so light right now, but this is my lightest because of my skin complexion. I can use Rose, but literally only in this month this month and next month, because in April I start getting too dark for it. My skin color starts changing, and I go for like the peachy colors. It's so weird. And then lastly, I wanted to show you my two highlighters that I've been pulling and loving. This one is by Physicians Formula. It's the Rose All Day, and it doesn't smell like roses, but this here is like a salve or a balm that you put on over to like help for the powder to like really stay on. It doesn't smell good at all, but it's got like a little rose there, but it really does make a difference when you put the balm on first. It's what I did here, so really you can see like it helps highlighter to stick on. And then the other highlighter that I've been using is by Makeup Revolution, or I think it's just Revolution now. It's they started doing these Disney like boxes, and I picked this one up, and I also picked up the it is right here, the Princess and the Frog one. So I'll be using that next month, but in the shade, or in the Beauty and the Beast one, it's the Tale of Enchantment. It's so pretty. So that's it for my favorites of the month of February. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. This is Anna post filming, but I forgot to add that this is my favorite scent for the month. This was my Valentine's Day gift from the Hubs. It is I think it's Mon Paris by YSL. It is one of my favorites, and I really love it, but I forgot to add that one. So yes, sorry, this is my favorite scent for the month. This one is still my all-time fave, but this is the one that I've been getting since Valentine's Day.